If you write YouTube scripts and use AI to speed things up, you've probably hit this wall. You generate a draft, then spend forever reprompting, rewriting, and fixing the tone and structure. You bounce between ChatGPT and Claude, hoping one of them finally gets it right. And somehow, you end up spending more time fixing the script than actually creating the video. At that point, AI isn't saving you time, it's just adding another step before burnout. The real problem is that you're using generic AI tools that weren't built for YouTube scripts. In this video, I'll show you a tool designed specifically for YouTube script writing and how to use it to go from idea to a near final script in one pass. This tool is called Poppy AI. When you first open it, you'll notice it feels more like a creative workspace than an AI chat. I'll show you exactly how it works, starting from a blank board. Click New Board to create your workspace instantly. This canvas is your visual thinking space. Instead of typing back and forth in a single chat window from top to bottom, here you can see everything at once. You can drag things around, paste links from websites, YouTube videos, tweets, ads, group them, connect them, and build your system visually. It's how your thoughts actually work. We have several buttons down here that let you add different elements to your board. Click the AI chat button and the chatbot window drops right onto the canvas. You can also drag it around however you want. On the left side, you'll see your tools. Think of this as the control panel for what the AI is allowed to pull from. The better the inputs, the less fixing you'll ever do. Here you can choose your AI model, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other top models all right inside Poppy, so you're never locked into just one. There are a bunch of other buttons here, but I won't talk about them in this video. What really makes Poppy stand out among other writing tools in the market is that it doesn't rely purely on your prompt. It pulls from every resource you connect. Your research, your context, your files, everything. And this is what lets you get a near final version on your very first try, instead of spending hours going back and forth with revisions. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Say I want to make a video on the easiest business to start in 2026 for beginners. Before I write a single word of the prompt, I want to give the AI context. Instead of prompting immediately, I'll start by creating an information group. This is where all the research for the video lives. You can pull information from anywhere your audience already spends time. That could be YouTube, Google articles, X posts, Reddit, forums, or other platforms. I'll start with YouTube. Search your topic, then look for videos from reputable creators with strong view counts. This matters because you're feeding the AI proof of demand, not just random ideas. For this topic, I'll use videos from creators like Ali Abdaal, Jordan Welch, and Creative Hive. I'll copy and paste links to the videos I've chosen into the information group, so Poppy can use them as source material for the script. Next, you can bring in articles from Google or posts from X, LinkedIn, or Reddit discussions related to the topic. This step alone removes half the guesswork. Once this information group is connected to the chatbot, which I'll show you how to do in a moment, it helps the AI understand what's already working, how people talk about this topic, and which angles resonate. But research alone isn't enough. The next step is what fine-tunes the script to your exact voice. Now we'll create a content style group. Here, you're teaching the AI how you want the script to sound. That includes tone, language, pacing, and overall vibe. You can add your own videos or reference examples so the AI knows exactly how you want the script to sound. If there's a creator whose style you like, say Ali Abdaal, you can add 2 to 3 of the videos here. Poppy breaks down their delivery style and applies those patterns to your script. This is how you stop AI from sounding like AI. Now we've got the research and style, but there's one more group we can add that unlocks retention and structure. Here you can add a Google Doc with your own notes, your favorite frameworks, or even a simple text file with bullet points on how you want the video structured. Paste it in, and now the AI understands how the video should flow. Hooks, open loops, transitions, payoffs, all of it. There are also several other buttons on the sidebar that let you add resources in different formats like audio and images. If you're someone who thinks better out loud, you're really going to love the record audio feature. You just hit record and then talk through your idea. You can talk about who your video is for, what your takes are on this topic, and the key takeaways that you want the viewer to walk away with. You could add this information as a text file, but the audio feature is just way quicker. Let's give it a try. This video is for beginners who want to start a business but feel overwhelmed by too many ideas, too much noise, and no clear pace to start blah blah blah. Click the record button again to stop recording. And as you can see, your voice note drops right onto the board. Now your actual thinking becomes part of the input. Next, we connect all the groups to the chatbot. To do that, just click the dot next to each group and drag the line to the dot next to the chatbot window. This tells the AI, use this information, write this way, follow this structure. Now comes the prompt. And notice how simple it is. Again, you can choose which model you want here. I will go with Claude Sonnet for now. And this is the result, a properly structured YouTube script, written in the exact tone I want, based on real research, with my own notes naturally woven in. If I did this in ChatGPT, I'd need multiple prompts, constant reminders, and the context would slowly fall apart. With Poppy, the structure stays locked in. You're not fighting the AI, you're guiding it. And once the right inputs are in place, generating the script really is a single click. By now, it should be clear why Poppy AI exists and who's it built for. If you publish consistently and care about structure, tone, and speed, Poppy helps you stop wrestling with prompts and start working inside a system that actually reflects how you think and write. If that sounds useful, you can check out Poppy AI using the link in the description and try it for yourself. And as always, we're here to help you create smarter with tools that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.